Take a piece from the ear to the middle of the hair. Do this also by the other side. So now you have 2 pieces. Brush it until it's nice and straight. Make it together with the elastic. Like this. I call it a ponytail. Alright, now take a piece beneath the ponytail. Do this also on the other side. So now you have 2 pieces. Like this. Cross them over the elastic, so you don't see it anymore. Later you will see it. Now do it beneath the ponytail. Like that. Now do it 1 time more. Now you would take all the other hair and do it beneath the real ponytail, like that. I use a clip because that is easier for me. Take another elastic or a clip and make that 2 pieces to each other. Now do some hair over it, so you don't see the elastic, only from the side. That was it, and I hope to see you next time on AG Hairstyles. Bye!